I'm sorry, it's been far too long. I apologise. As you know, we're trying to get into the swing of doing YouTube videos again, and I wanted to get some vlogs up, I wanted to get some makeup tutorials, and now I feel like I can sit down, do some chatty videos with you guys. So here is a favourites video. I'm gonna call it May favourites of 2018, but these aren't necessarily, am I gonna call it that? I am going to call it favourite beauty products of 2018 so far. That is what I'm going to call it. Because, let's be honest, I just can't keep up with monthly favourites. It's very, very difficult. Okay, so I have some products in front of me right now. Some of these products have been my favourites for a very long time. Not just this year, but maybe last year as well. But most of these products, I would say, are definitely products that I have tried this year. So I'm just gonna get on. The first products I want to talk about are brow products. I take my brows very seriously in life, okay? Very seriously. So for me, when I find brow products that work, I usually just stick to those products. And these products that I'm about to show you have been an absolute godsend for me. What did I do before you sort of thing. Like the combo of these three, for me, they just work amazing. So the three products, of course, are Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, Benefit GimMe Brow Plus, and Benefit Brow Zings. So these are all in the shade 4, and I just love these products so much. This pencil is just so soft, it's so smooth. The shades are really, really good. I'd be very surprised if you couldn't find your shade. The packaging is everything. One thing I really like about this is the fact that it's retractable. So you don't have to sharpen it. You can just, you know, wind it up, wind it down. And I also love the fact that it comes with a spoolie on the end. So when you're on the go, out and about, it's just perfect because you have the pencil, you have the brush. It's a dream. The Brow Zings is a beautiful powder. It comes with a wax and a powder. It comes with a brush and it also comes with tweezers. I typically just use the powder part to fill in all my brows. Again, the colours for the brow products are beautiful. This baby is back. So they stopped doing this for a while because they just had a few complications with the product. But they're back. It's called GimMe Brow Plus now. Before it was just called GimMe Brow. But this is what is in here. What's in you? It's so good. It has like little fibers inside, and it basically, the fibers cling onto the hair that you do have, and it makes you look like you've got more brow hair than you actually do. I just love. So I just wanted to talk to you about some skincare products that I have been using every single day, and they've quickly become one of my favorite products ever. I have these products here. This is a French brand. I got given these. I looked at them, didn't really give much of a thought of them when I looked at it, and then I tried it again, and I was like, whoa, like this stuff is good. I've probably been using it every day for about 2 or 3 months now, and I won't use anything else. This is the hydrating serum, and this is the moisturizer that you put on top of the serum. Both of these products are for dry to very dry skin, and they're also good for sensitive skin. My skin is normal to dry, but I love to look dewy. I love to look just a little bit, not oily, no, it's not oily, it's dewy, isn't it? So even though I've got normal skin, I tend to use products for dry skin just because I want that extra hydration. I can tell the difference when I use these. My skin just feels amazing. My makeup applies amazing on top. I'm just obsessed. I also have another skincare product. This one is by MAC. This is MAC's Softening Lotion Spray. So I was in the MAC shop, and one of the guys that worked there, he recommended this to me, and I was just, you know, I'm one of these people that if you recommend something, I can't help but buy a little bit. So he was like, honestly, like, just spray this on your face before your makeup, like after your moisturizer, and you will love it. And I do, I really, really do love it. It makes my skin look so soft. It makes my skin feel so soft. And the combo of these three together is an absolute dream. Next I have foundation. This is Nars Longwear Foundation in the shade Syracuse. Nars is my favorite brand for foundation, hands down, like of all time. Nars have never ever failed me with a foundation, and I just think that they just go well with my skin so much. This foundation, I think, is like a mix between the Nars All Day Weightless and the Nars Sheer Glow. And I love both of those foundations so much, but this one, it tops them both for me. I do think they are quite similar, but I love this one. This one is just amazing. And I've been finding it hard to use anything else. Like, I physically have to force myself to use other things, especially like in my makeup posts and stuff, because I tag everything that I use. And sometimes, you know, you need to switch up what foundation you've used, but this is the one that I keep going to. I just love it so much. Again, I have normal to dry skin, so this works really well with my skin. I don't know what this would be like on oily skin or like super dry skin, like dry patches and things like that. I mostly just have like dehydration, but I don't really get dry patches and stuff. So I don't know what this would be like for everyone else, like people that have oily skin and things like that. But just go into a store, ask them about it, try and get a tester, take it home, see if you like it. But honestly, I love this foundation. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in the shade 4N. This concealer I love so much. It feels lightweight, it's water resistant, it's sweat resistant. You don't have to keep topping it up. As you know, I'm busy, I'm a busy woman. I have a career, I'm a mum, I'm busy, so I don't have time during the day to keep topping up my stuff. I need things that are gonna work throughout the day. It covers my dark circles and it's lightweight, but it's so full coverage, and I just love it. The only thing I would say is that they do not have enough of a shade range. There is only about 2 darker shades and it's just not good enough. You know, we're in 2018 now. I don't see why brands are still doing this. And it's upsetting for me because I'm a YouTuber and I recommend these products to people, and I know that I have a lot of darker skinned women that watch me. And it sucks that I'm loving something that a lot of my audience can't wear. My mum, she's a dark skinned woman, she can't wear this concealer, and I love this concealer so much. I just wanna put it on her face and tell her about it, but I can't, and it's frustrating because it shouldn't be happening. So Laura Mercier, I love you as a brand, but please create this concealer with more shades, because I love this concealer. I want everybody to be able to use it. I feel like I've mentioned this in a favourites video before, but I'm just going to mention it again. Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. You guys know how much I love this. I love this powder so much. I use it in all my looks, all my videos. I don't care. I love this powder. It's just so good. They have no flashback and it just smooths everything out perfectly. I just love it. I love it so much. They do actually have a medium deep translucent one, and my mama uses this one. So thank you, Laura Mercier, for bringing out a powder that people with darker skin tones, focus, please focus, for bringing out the same powder that I absolutely love and rave about in a deeper colour. Okay, next, Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. So I got this, and when I looked at the price, I think it's like $60 or something like that. It's quite a pricey primer. And I was like, you better do some bits on my face. And you know what it did? It did bits on my face. So I just usually put this on any areas that I have like a few more pores or a little bit more texture on my face, and my pores are gone. Bye. I don't even know where you are. I don't have you anymore. It smooths everything out so well. I mean, it's what a primer's meant to do, really. And apparently it's a protective primer as well. So like when you're putting on your makeup and stuff, it like almost builds like a barrier so that any harmful ingredients that come in your makeup won't touch your face. And that is bloody good. So a couple of palettes that I want to talk about are these two. This is the Tartlette In Bloom palette, and this is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I need to wipe this off. I cannot let you guys see this in this condition. What? Okay, so I tried to wipe it off, but the palette's still in a little bit of a state. But I use it pretty much every day. Like anytime I'm doing like a neutral eyeshadow look, it's pretty much this. It's got great shades. It's just what I gravitate towards when I'm doing a simple everyday look. Good colors, good pigment, great palette. And this palette, this is what I gravitate towards when I'm doing my brightly coloured eyeshadow looks. This is so good. It's cheap and the colours are actually really pigmented. I can swatch a few for you. So the colour payoff is really, really good. And the palette's so cheap. It's so cheap. It's so good and so cheap. And this was the first, because, you know, I'm a bit scared of colour, but recently I have not been scared of colours. I've been using colours and I've been really proud of myself. And I've been happy with how the looks have come out as well. So this has been it for me. I've been using this because I just don't have that many coloured eyeshadows, but I'm building my coloured eyeshadow collection. But I just wanted to give this one a shout out because this has been my baby for when I've been trying to do colour. Another palette, but it's not an eyeshadow palette. This is the Nip+fab Contour palette in dark. They're not too grey toned, they're not too orange toned, they're like bang in the middle of like what I need. And I like to use the dark one because I like to be really, really bronzed. But the medium would work with me as well, I'm just extra. And I like to use that one as a blusher as well. It's just so good, it's so nice, the colours blend out beautifully. Okay, this looks like it's literally gone through war, but I use it all the time, pretty much every day again. Fenty Beauty Killawatt Highlighter in Me, Money and Hustla, baby. If you know, you know. If you've tried it, you'll know what I'm on about. It suits so many skin complexions. I have it everywhere on my face right now. Cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose, brow bone, in my inner corners. I have this side. I don't really use this side as much. I mainly use this side. But this side is really pretty as well. It's just a more subtle highlight. But you know, if we're gonna glow, might as well just go in, you know? Amazing. Can't say enough good stuff about this. Next is, it might be my favourite product out of everything. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Everybody needs this. Everybody. Everybody needs this. It suits every skin complexion. It's so glossy, it's so glossy, but it also in a way like looks natural. It's weird because I use this even as like a lip balm. Like I just apply for no damn reason. Like, can we just... The gloss! I just want to give Fenty a shout out for this and just becoming a brand as a whole. You guys are so good. I just love what you do. You make products for everybody. Oh, Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I have gone through bottles and bottles of this, and this one, as you can see, is almost done. Spray this over your makeup. Your face is gonna look so dewy, so fresh. If you have oily skin though, I wouldn't recommend this. And if you like matte skin and not dewy skin, then I wouldn't recommend this. But if you are like me and like dewy skin, honestly, so good. Again, quite pricey, but personally, I think it's worth the money. Also, I know this is really random, but I like the way it sprays. Like, it doesn't like spit like a camera, like, you know? Doesn't do that. It just, it's a mist. Like it says, dewy skin mist. I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite body highlighting products. Fenty Beauty Body Lava. It makes your skin look wet. Like, I use it every time I go out without fail, absolutely. It comes in 2 shades. I haven't tried the other one, I've just tried this one. It's a little bit glittery, but I do have a review on this on my channel as well, so go check that out if you want to know more about this, but this is just bomb. And then without fail, I always spray some of the iconic Water Mist Glow. How insane is that? So you shake it up, spray it, and again, you just look like wet. These two combined are an absolute dream. You can also use this on your face as well if you like, but you will look very glowy. I want to mention a perfume. This is Supreme Bouquet by YSL. If you know me or you've been around me, this is like my signature scent recently, like of this year. This has been my signature scent. It's a pricey perfume. It is a pricey perfume. It's like £200 a bottle, but I feel so cheeky saying but because £200 for a perfume is ludicrous. It's wild, but I won't stop, can't stop, won't stop. It smells beautiful. To be honest, when I first actually sprayed it, I weren't that much of a fan of it, but I love it so much. It's a very, very grown scent, and the scent lasts forever, like for hours. You spray it and you are smelling like that all night. I mean, you should hope so for the price. But I love it. It's become my signature scent. Everyone that knows me knows that JP is probably gonna smell of this. And yeah, good. It's a good time. Last but not least, I want to talk about some hair products that saved my hair, saved my life, saved you, girl. So you guys know already that I've been trying to wear my hair curly. I have been on my healthy hair journey. I've been taking my vitamins, I've been using less heat, I've been doing all of that. And for a while I was on the hunt looking for products that would work for me. And I was trying so many and like nothing was working. And then a few of you recommended Cantu to me and you changed your girl's life. Let me just tell you that now. Right now, obviously my hair's straight, naughty Jade, I know, but I just got it cut and I was at the hairdresser's. You know, you don't want to pay for like the hairdresser to just use a diffuser and make it curly like you would at home. Like you might as well pay to get it styled how you usually wouldn't wear it. So that's why it's straight at the moment. But after, like when it needs washing and stuff, I'm definitely just gonna go back to having my hair curly and then having it straight once in a while when I feel like it. But these, honestly, these products are amazing. This is a moisturizing curl activating cream and it does what it says in the bottle, activates your curls. My curls have been thanking me. And then also I have the coconut curling cream, and just both of these products combined, I use them both combined. It's just honestly been amazing. I do have a curly hair routine as well, which I will link below if you are interested in watching that. But Cantu has saved my curls. It is honestly done the most. So that is it for my favourites video. I actually showed more products than I hoped, and I'm sorry that this is a long video, but you know, I don't do favourites video often. I had a lot to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are about to spend your savings. No, don't do that. Don't spend your savings. Don't get that car, get that house. When you have some spare cash, then try some products, but make sure you save. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share this video, show your girls some love. It helps me so much, you have no idea. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah.